welcome to Medical Dialogues, your daily dose of health and medical news. I'm Roshni Dhar. Let's look at today's top headlines. Make all admission establishment details public. National Medical Commission gives deadline to medical colleges. Issuing a public circular, the National Medical Commission has directed all the medical colleges for displaying the information of their institute on their website before 17 December. The Medical Assessment and Rating Board of National Medical Commission has decided to request the medical colleges and institutes to display the information of the college on their website linked to National Medical Commission. Promise of MBBS seat at JIPMER, businessman cheated of rupees 43 lakh. A 50-year-old businessman was cheated of rupees 43 lakhs by two fraudsters who promised him of getting his daughter an MBBS seat in the premier Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research, Puducherry in 2019. A case of cheating, forgery and criminal intimidation was registered by the Sattur Taluk Police against the duo from Sivakasi and Chennai based on a direction of Judicial Magistrate Court. Kerala Medical College hospitals hit as doctors' protest urged government to meet demands. Government medical colleges across Kerala faced a crisis on Monday, 13 December, due to the continuing strike of postgraduate doctors, wherein they raised various demands. The protest on for the last 4 days was against the state government's alleged failure in fulfilling their demands, including restoration of 4% annual salary hike of resident doctors. House surgeons also joined the strike. Cardiologist commits suicide by injecting poison through IV drip. A cardiologist allegedly committed suicide by injecting an unidentified poison using an intravenous drip at his residence in SR Nagar on Friday. The deceased has been identified as a 29-year-old doctor who was working as a cardiologist at a private hospital in Amarpreet. According to the police, the doctor did not leave any suicide note. They attributed the reason behind the suicide to be personal problems. Doctors see 1:5 seat to candidate ratio in NEET PG counselling. Supreme Court asked to approach High Court. Observing that the matter concerned in service reservation of the West Bengal NEET PG candidates, which is not an all-Indian issue, the Supreme Court bench recently dismissed a petition seeking directions upon the Medical Counselling Committee to follow 1:5 seat to candidate ratio in NEET PG admissions. Refusing to entertain the petition, the top court bench comprising of Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and A.S. Bopana suggested that the petitioner should move the concerned High Court regarding the matter. 38 medical colleges approved this year by Centre, maximum in Tamil Nadu and Uttar Pradesh. This year, total number of 38 new medical colleges have been approved by the Centre, of which 24 are run by the government. Among these Indian states which have been benefited from the new medical colleges, Uttar Pradesh and Tamil Nadu come in the first place as the total number of 9 and 11 new medical colleges have been approved in these states respectively. NPPA panel rejects Neon Labs' plea to discontinue local anesthetic lidocaine. In a setback to Neon Laboratories, the National Pharmaceutical Pricing Authority has rejected the drug maker's plea to discontinue Schedule Formation Log's 5% ointment. This came in response to the firm IV intimation received from Neon Laboratories Limited for discontinuation of Schedule Formulation Viz. Law's 5% ointment under Para 21(2) of DPCO 2013. That's all for today. Thank you. Stay safe.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.